We made it. Kia ora, talofa. Hello, everybody. My name is Ludwig, and welcome to episode 1 of Mini Chats with Ludwig. So, I'm a pianist and a composer, and in today's episode, I'd like to pose this one question. Why do we need a method book? You know, when we're searching for a skill or trying to learn a new subject, often we like to freestyle, right? It means that we're just searching on our own. It's a little bit more fun, a little bit more adventurous. But the issue is that it's often unpredictable and it's uncertain when we're going to learn that new skill, when we're going to hit our target. So let me propose a method book. Essentially, a method book is a roadmap, right? It's getting us from A to B. And the fun thing about a method book is that you can work with a group of people, sourcing different ideas and inspiration to create the best book possible. So I currently work at Oclef, and we've got a lot of amazing pianists and teachers, and we're currently all working together to try and create this method book. So in these mini chats, I'd like to invite you to come and learn about our process, ideas that work, ideas that could work, well, almost there, and then there are those ideas that just need to call in sick for work. You know those ideas I'm talking about. But they're ideas nonetheless, and we're going to use them in this book. So if you're looking to build a manual of your own, and it doesn't necessarily need to be about music, but a manual or something that we can use for instruction, I'd invite you to come and join me for some of these mini chats so that we can share our knowledge together. All right. So I'll be back again next Friday for another episode of BAM BFS. What that mean? Building a method book from scratch. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.